Hello again. We are opening up week 6 of the class. Last week, we were introduced to the network layer in chapter 4 of the textbook. We learned the network layer is composed of two functional sublayers. We studied one of these sublayers in chapter 4, the data plane, where the forwarding of packets from the router's input to the router's output occurs. This week, in chapter 5, we will delve into the control plane, which incorporates the routing function. Routing determines the path taken by packets from source to destination. Getting this routing function to work with an entity the size of the internet requires a very complex system. After this week, you should have a greater understanding and appreciation of the complexities of the network layer control plane. We will study traditional routing algorithms. We will walk through the link state and distance vector algorithms that determine least cost paths to destinations. We will look at a path vector routing algorithm, the Border Gateway Protocol, which is the glue that holds the internet together. We will see how the huge size of the internet requires routing to be distributed and scaled. We will further examine SDN, as we take a deeper look at the SDN controller, the key component of the new paradigm for the control plane. In the final segments of this chapter, we'll do a quick study of two protocols used for diagnostics and management of networks. The Internet Control Message Protocol, ICMP, and the Simple Network Management Protocol, SNMP. This week we have the usual chapter reading, videos, video quizzes, homework assignment, and chapter quiz. Like last week, we also have an additional Mininet lab for extra credit. Note that you have 2 weeks to complete these Mininet labs. There is a level of complexity in the routing algorithms. Besides the text and chapter videos, we are providing links to other videos that may aid your understanding of this key topic. There are also links to more Mininet videos to help you with the extra credit labs. So after this week, we'll be 3/4 of the way through the course. What is left for the final 2 weeks are chapters on link layer and network security. Here is a final tidbit for the week. There's a new secure DNS protocol that Google and Mozilla are pushing. In this protocol, the DNS messages are encapsulated in HTTPS. This means that ISPs will not be able to see the DNS queries and responses unless the queries are directed at their own DNS over HTTPS servers, which they don't have yet. ISPs like to be able to intercept DNS queries for security, redirecting from known bad sites, for example, but also for marketing purposes. You can use the knowledge you have gained in this class to better understand this news.